Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the location of today's Starfall Shard in Heartopia. So as always, Doris will be here next to the bus stop, and let's get into it. So the first one is actually located near Doris, as you can see over there, and here is where it is on the map. And the second one is not too far from the first one, actually. You're just going to go to the right and you'll see the second one, which is the blue Starfall Shard. And here's where it is, as you can see. And here's where it is on the map. From there, you're just going to go up this hill and you will find the third Starfall Shard, which is the blue one. I think it could be different for everybody, but here's where my third one is, and here's where it is on the map. For the third one, I just went down this hill and I turned right-ish and just go straight actually, and you'll find the fourth one, which is the Starfall Shard, and here's where it is on the map again. Then I basically went to the east part of the fishing village. You'll see it on the map here. And here's the fifth Starfall Shard. Then from like this gate, you'll see there's another one here. And here's where it is on the map. This is our sixth Starfall Shard. Then head to this area where the boats are, and you'll find your seventh shard here. And here's where it is on the map, of course. It's near the lighthouse as well. Then you're just going to go here near the waters and you'll find your eighth one. I accidentally drove like on the shard, but here's where it is on the map. And for the last one, I just went up these rocks over here near the lighthouse. I was actually supposed to go to that one first, but it's fine. It's up here and you'll find the last one. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!